Welcome to the project demonstration of social distancing monitoring in Q-Line by using the line following robots. So here we are using IR sensors mounted under this robots, so which will follow the line following, the black line following robots, and so the whole system driven by the 12 volt 2 amp battery, so which is a rechargeable battery. So from here we are going to distribute the 12 volts to this L293 motor driver, so which is a dual edge which can control the two motors at a time. And from this L293 motor driver we will get the 5 volts power supply. So directly we are going to provide the 5 volts power supply to this PIC 16F72 microcontroller. Once the controller gets the signal of 5 volts voltage, then it will start reading input from the IR sensors and so ultrasonic sensor. So once IR sensor is used to control the robot direction, that is left, right, forward, and ultrasonic sensor will detect the side obstacles. So when the persons stand in queue line, so it is going to follow the line by the line following. So once the obstacle is detected, then it will start counting the time. So there will be a limit for of 3 seconds. In between 3 seconds, if the robot detects another person, then it will intimating as the persons are nearby. So means while traveling, if the distance between the two persons is more, then the obstacle will give the, after 3 seconds only it will detect the obstacle sense. It has to detect the obstacle. Then it is a normal condition. Otherwise, so if the distance between the two persons is very less, then the obstacle detection timing also very less. Then they will announce the voices through this APR 3383 module, and the distance they will be displayed on the LCD. So here we are using a audio playback recorder. So it is already pre-recorded voices will be there. So from this we are going to announce the voices. So like please maintain social distance, and also welcome message will be displayed announced to this one. So this I will show you now. So the charging section now. So just connect the B to B. So here are the B and B2B connection, and just give the power supply to the sockets. Then there will be a light indication on the charging, so it's indicated as the battery is getting charging. So it will take 6 to 8 hours for battery to get fully charged. So after 6 to 8 hours you can switch off the charging circuit, then so indicated fully charged. So now we'll demonstrate the project on the line following section, right? So we'll show you the line following feature now.
Welcome to the project Social Distance Monitoring Robot.
Okay, sorry, this side, right? Okay, so coming to the obstacle detection in queue line. So when we switch on this switch, so I'll show you the demonstration with LED indications.
Social Distance Monitoring Robot.
So it is moving forward direction. So here one light is there, green light. So whenever the obstacle detects, so when it passes away, means after the person is completed, the light will be on. Till that light, no other should be detected. Okay, see for example, so over,
Please maintain distance.
till the person has to move from that, then it will keep on,
Maintain distance.
right? Okay, so in this manner we can detect that. You can see the LED indication also. After the person over, light on,
Please
indicated.
maintain distance.
Okay, right. Thank you.